It's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
बहुत स्मार्ट लग रहा है.
For 5. So Rafiq will continue. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has come out to the middle. He's the man from Japan. He's sent back. The bails are off again. The third umpire has been called for. The Bangladesh fielders are celebrating. In fact, he's not even asked for the third umpire, has he? He's given him out. And Dhoni departs first ball. And that's most unfortunate. This is his debut. Quick walk in the field.
Join hands with tomorrow's star.
Aware of that. We could be in for a real friendly contest.
Dhoni with a single to complete his maiden 100. With this, he becomes the second Indian wicketkeeper to score a century. And guess what? The first one is right there by his side to cheer him. Team India.
That's up in the air.
I especially congratulate Dhoni for being the architect of the victory. And may I tell Dhoni that I saw a placard asking you to have a haircut, but if you were to take my opinion, you look good in this haircut. Don't have a haircut. Okay. Thank you.
He's hurt himself somewhere. I just wonder if he's pulled his side lower back.
The boundary.
Fernando will be the bowler. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the batsman, on 99. That will be his 100. Fantastic 100. Coming of just 85 deliveries, the quickest 100 by an Indian against Sri Lanka. And coming at a very important time, chasing a big target, this young man is stood up.
How do you reckon Dhoni will finish this off? Do you think he's got a 6 in his mind?
Yes, he has a 6 on his mind. And that is exactly what he gets. His 10th sixer. What an innings! Magnificent innings by Mahendra Singh Dhoni. 183 not out of 145 balls, 15 fours and 10 sixers.
उन्होंने बहुत आराम से जवाब दिया, बोला बेटा अगर साल भर मेहनत करे होगे तो एक दिन से फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, अगर साल भर मेहनत नहीं किए होगे तो भी एक दिन से फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, तो तुम आगे खेलो.
There must have been a lot of thoughts going through your mind. Joginder Sharma, Harbhajan Singh. Joginder Sharma, Harbhajan Singh. What made you give Joginder that last over?
I think Bhaji was not 100% sure, he was not getting the Yorkers right. So I felt, instead of giving a bowler who was not 100% sure, I should give a bowler who wants to do well at the international level. Even if we would have lost the match, it doesn't matter to me. But I think the way Jogi bowled, it was really good.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no, two. And I wish that I could do eternity.
Capitulate.
The winners of the Champions Trophy 2013, India.
Got him.
Look at that catch, super catch.
That's huge.
Outside edge. Good catch by MS Dhoni.
Great shot. That's a fierce square cut. It's gone to the boundary like a tracer bullet.
Are you playing on after this tournament?
Come here. Let's have some fun. Please come here. Come. Seriously.
Not me,
Yeah, come. Okay.
Well, that's it.
You want me to retire?
No, well,
Okay.
I was going to ask you.
I was hoping it was a Indian media guy, but because I can't really say if you have a brother or a son who can play for India as a wicket keeper. Do you think I'm unfit?
No.
Looking at me running?
Very fast.
Do you think I can survive in the 2019 World Cup?
Sure. Yes, sure.
Then you have answered the question.
Thank you, sir.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Big wicket, the innings of the day, the innings of the game. He's brought India back into this game. And have a look at the crowd, how involved they are. Oh, he doesn't want Jadeja to go, neither do we. But he's got to go. He has to go. Don't bowl short. Don't bowl short to MS Dhoni. Doesn't matter whether the fine leg is behind or not, he'll put it in the stands.
Now they've got to push for two. So he's going to cover the keeper's stumps. They're going to go. Going to get up there. This is the World Cup. This man and get unbelievable.
Thank you, Kevin. I've made my decision.
Look at the big screen, everybody. Look at it. It says that measure 3-letter word. And MS Dhoni is it the last time he leaves the big stage. He's gone, run out. Parrish running the set. Finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room.